to be in that. That would be terrible. In 2 days? appreciate you being concerned. Yeah, no, don't you worry about it. So they'll kind of hide this yarn getting pulled through. Well, you're welcome. Hey the Feral, hello, welcome. Thank you for following at this most odd, curious Basic explanation is rebuilding homes for Habitat for Humanity, building trails, planting trees. Wow, that is amazing. That is truly very, very cool. You need to be kind to yourself. You're doing a very cool